Welcome to a new tutorial. Today I show you some tricks how to improve the UV unwrapping. At first we go to the edit mode and we start here on this line under the arm, this part here, but let me turn on the UV shortcuts that you can see what I do. And let's go to the edge select mode. And we select this edge here and this. We want this line here. Go to select and then we go to select, linked and shortest path. Now you can see we have selected all the edges here. Go to mark seam. Now we get a seam there. And now we want to mirror this part to the other side. Go to select again and mirror selection. You can see here the other side is selected and right click, mark seam. And with Shift Alt we select the edge loop here around of the upper arm. Right click, mark seam, select, mirror selection, right click and mark seam. Now we get this and then we select the edge loop here, Shift and Alt, mark seam, select, mirror selection, right click and mark seam. Now here same thing around the neck, mark seam, but here we don't need the mirror, no? And then the part here around the mouth, Shift Alt, mark seam. And now let's have a look inside, because we want to mark a seam inside, at the inside part of the mouth. I think from backside we have a look, and now this is the part here inside from the mouth, and just move it a little bit. Okay, again. Now we get it. Now we select this part here, Shift and Alt, and just go here to the wireframe mode and unselect the rest of the body. We want only the mouth, the inside part here. Now we get this right click and mark seam. And the same thing we do here on this side, but oh, that was not the correct loop. Let's have a look. And this one. Wireframe mode and unselect all the other part here from the head and also this one. So we have only the side part here, but you can see here. Here it is, yeah. It's 4. And right click, mark seam. And now on the back side here, select this edge and let's have a look. This edge. Go to select, select linked and undo and forgot to mark seam. Select this one and this one. Select linked, shortest path, and then select again, mirror selection, mark seam. And then we cut a little bit more from the back side, from the head. Okay, Let's go to the hand and start here. Select this part, this one and this one. Don't forget to mirror on the other side. We select shortest path, select and mirror selection. Select this one and this edge here, shortest path, mark seam and mirror, mark seam. Select these two, shortest path, mark seam, mirror selection. Now right click and mark seam. This one here, mark seam, mirror, and same thing here. And we select these two edges, select. And now you can see we got 1.5 fingers now. Mirror, mark seam, select this one. And now we can try something. I know that doesn't work, but have a look. Shortest path. Now you can see here it's the shortest path. That means it's not around the little finger. Let's delete this. Shortest path and try it here. You can see here it is the shortest path. Okay. In that case it isn't good. It isn't the best solution here, but when we select this one, we can make here always 1/2 finger we can make. Well, 2.5 fingers. Select this one and this one. Shortest path, mark seam and mirror, mark seam. And now let's do the rest of the upper body here and the legs. And that was a quick tutorial to improve your next UV unwrapping. If you found this tutorial was helpful, then give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye!